everyone, it's 12:53 Mountain Standard Time at the Pavan Ranch here. First decent little snowfall of the season. Got to take the 2020 out for a little rip. First ball. This sled originally used to be a Summit Expert 154 with the short tunnel. I put a shorter track on it, and now it's 146. Doesn't hurt to check the chain case oil while it's warming up. Looks good. Gonna have this farmer eyes here. I'm gonna check the chain case tension as well. That's good and snug. I already checked the track tension by lifting up the back of the sled just to double check. And she's almost warmed up enough to go. Just going into the field, but having this big and got the drone in there and a camera and stuff. Okay, taking the sled for a little rip. Where's Dublin? You frozen yet?
No.
Okay, you drive.
Wait, okay, wait, what's the go?
This is the go.
Okay.
It's very responsive. Oh my goodness! If you fall off, like if I fall off, you fall off. I gotta pull my nose thing up.
Yeah, a little windy.
My face is frozen. It's like -7, but the tip of my nose is very cold. That was so funny when you pinned it.
I know, I was like, jeez.
I told you it was responsive.
Okay, well, I didn't think it was that responsive. I didn't think I put that much pressure on it, sir.
So to start this, press the shot button here. Just hold it. There you go. If you turn too sharp going fast, these things will just flip right over.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I don't honestly think I could turn it that fast.
So turn it and go forward and yank this and push that. There you go. Just if you just turn the speed, the sled will literally flip right on its side. Like, what's this? Like, not even leaning. Just put your arms up. Not even leaning. That's not even us leaning, and all I did was turn the ski.
Yeah.
That's the counter steer. So it's just like... But that's... I'm balancing that right now with my hand. Like, I'm not leaning. Isn't that funny? One-handed.
Hold on, boy.
And when you're riding, get in the habit of having this finger on just resting there.
Okay.
Because then if you need to slow down quick, your finger's already there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just be in a habit of having your finger on the brake all the time.
Okay.
Just like your thumb's always on the throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Leia's taking the 2020 here for a rip. There she goes! How do you figure?
Insanely Sixers?
Can you tell why I am addicted to snowmobiles?
Oh, 100%. 100%.
Vroom, vroom. You got the down position for the speed. Yep. Yeah, we can do some spinny spins here. I'm gonna see if I can do some butt slides.
Yeah, boy.
The cord might hurt. gonna do a big drop here. The camera woman.
Look at me.
What about a water crossing? I've never water crossed something with like a little bit of ice. Okay, we'll give it a go. Made it. We didn't sink. This sled has been through a lot.
Definitely looks like it with the zip ties.
Yes. Yeah. Half of this sled is zip ties.
Frankenstein.
Yep. I mean, good from far, far from good. So here I am, running the drone, and the sled just ran out of gas. So Leia's sitting there, and now I gotta call my dad to see if he can bring gas out. Now to walk over to Leia. Oh, walking across the barren landscape. Go visit Leia. We're getting gas brought to us right now. Here she is, out of gas.
First run out of the season.
Yeah, I guess I should have put in more than 5 liters. The gasolina. Surprised Dad can even see out of that windshield. It's hilarious.
Hey, Cat!
We out of gas! Hey, doggies! Thanks, Dad, for bringing the gas. Leia's been running around pinning it. That's why we're out of gas.
Gotta go faster, not both.
Ah, she lives! Okay, we're back to the drone where I was filming here. Leia's back here. Sled has a little bit of gas in it again. That was a fun little first rip of the year. Can't complain. Did a water crossing. Did some little donuts. Leia got to experience riding the sled in Alberta. On 4 inches of snow. First time she's ever been on a newer sled. What do you think of it?
Oh, insanely amazing. Like, damn. Wait.
Yeah, towards that pump shack over there.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. Look at all this powder. This grass. The skis are gone. Oh boy, look at that. Powder over the head. Check out that pile. Well, that sums up the first ride of the season here on the Wolf 2020. Thanks for watching.